Thank you, 2 Echo Delta 357. Thank you for reminding me I'm making lots of noise out there. Yeah, thank you, my friend. 002 returning your call, buddy. Good morning.
Yeah, good afternoon, my friend in Scotland. Always smoke like always. 73, 2 Echo Delta 357. Bye-bye.
Thank you, my friend. 2 Echo Delta 357. All the best to you, my friend. And thank you for your flowers. 002 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, buddy.
002, 549, Richmond, Virginia.
Yeah, 549 in Richmond, Virginia. All the best to you, buddy. 002 returning your call. Good morning.
Good morning. 002, good morning, 549.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. 549 in Richmond, Virginia. You're 40 dB over back here. Coming in super signal. All the best to Richmond, Virginia. 549 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, sir, for coming back to me. Thank you, sir. You always have a great Veterans Day over here in the USA. You have a good day.
Thank you. 549. All the best out there in Richmond, Virginia. 002, number 2, Scotland. Good morning. Everybody, I'll take a listen, guys. 447's out there, my friend is out there. 447, Mr. Mark in New Jersey. I'm returning your call, Mark. 447 New Jersey. 002 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, Mark. Thank you, my friend Mark out there. 447 New Jersey. Absolutely super signal, Mark. 40 dB over, Mark. 40 over. Big signal out of New Jersey. 447 Mr. Mark. Absolutely wonderful. And thank you, sir. A very good morning to you, Mark. Take care, my old friend. Thanking you very kindly, Mark. All the best, my dear friend. 447 in New Jersey. Big signal. 002, number 2. God bless, Mark. 73rd, buddy. Yeah, I copy you, my friend. It's very heavy back here. It's wild. I do copy you, my friend. All the best out there. 002 returning your call. Good morning. Okay, the station in Tennessee, absolutely wonderful, my friend, absolutely wonderful. You're coming in about 20 dB like everyone else back here. 20, some stations are coming in 40 over. But Tennessee doing a fine job, a very good morning. 002 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, buddy.
Good morning, right back.
Thank you, my friends. Thank you, Tennessee out there. All the best to Tennessee. A very good morning. There's Mr. Jim out there, 721 Jim. A very good morning, Jim. 002 returning your call. Good morning.
002, you're coming in stateside real good this morning.
Yeah, thank you, Jim. All the best out there, buddy. 7:21, Mr. Jim. Thank you, Jim, for your call. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Jim, good morning.
1042, dropping down one.
Yeah, all the best, guys. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning.
Good morning, Tommy. Good morning, Tommy. Jolly Roger 252 012 Mike and Tommy.
Yeah, good morning, stateside. Good morning, America. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning. Yeah, that's a pile-up, boys. That's a pile-up. 002. Who's top of that pile-up? 002 is asking for who's top of the pile-up. Number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning.
010 Florida. Thank you, Ken.
Yeah, Roger. The 107's doing a fine trip back here. 40 dB over. 107 002 in Scotland. Good morning, buddy. Yeah, thank you, my friend. All the best to you, sir. The 107, absolutely super. Top of the pile-up. 002, good morning, my friend. Number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Looking for those big signals out there. 002, number 2, listening. Yeah, who's the Indiana? Go Indiana. 002. Go Indiana.
Hey, 244 diesel car making a trip to Florida. Waving a hand. Safe.
Yeah, there's plenty in there, my friend. There's plenty in there. But good morning, Indiana. 002. Number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland, boys. Good morning. Roger, it's a pile-up back here, guys, an absolute pile-up. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, boys. There's that many stations out there, guys. It's absolutely bedlam back here. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland, boys. Good morning. Thank you, my friend, for sounding good. You also sound good back here, buddy. Thank you for your flowers. 002, number 2. Good morning. Thank you, my friend. The station's shouting George and having a good morning up here. Thank you, sir. I hope you're having a fine day down there. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning. Roger, Roger, not a problem, my friend. The station mobile, New York, big signal, buddy. 002, number 2. Good morning. Yeah, thank you, buddy, thank you. Well, all you guys sound local back here. You're absolutely all blowing smoke back here. But 002, thanking you for the kind flowers out there, boys. 002 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, guys. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you kindly, all the best to you guys out there. 002, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning, America. Yeah, Roger, absolutely. 002, thank you, my friend. 002, number 2 in Scotland. Good morning. Okay for the 5 and 9, sir. I got 24 something. I didn't get the last number. Thank you for the 5 and 9, buddy. The 24 something, 24 question mark. 002, number 2 in Scotland. Good morning, my friend.
Well, I got real good over here in East Tennessee. 002 Scotland.
Thank you, 224 in East Tennessee. Thank you for your flowers, my friend. 002, sending kind regards to you. Good morning.
Bravo, what's this? 002, where at in Scotland are you?
I'm in Glasgow, my friend. I'm in the west central part of the country, a city called Glasgow. QSL?
You sounded really good over here, about 20 miles north of Knoxville.
Yeah, I know Knoxville pretty well, my friend. I know Knoxville, Tennessee pretty well. That's where the American Bulldog Club is out there. The American Bulldog Association is out in Knoxville, my friend. And I've been out there many times before. All the best in Knoxville, 224. 002, buddy. Good morning.
Hey, top of the morning to you, and have a good day. 224, East Tennessee, QRT.
Thank you, buddy. All the best out there. 131, Bob. A very good morning, Bob. 002, Bob. Come on. Roger, Ontario, Canada. Thank you, my friend. All the best to Ontario, Canada. 002. Good morning. Thank you, Ontario, Canada. 73's to you also, buddy. Good morning. 002 in Scotland. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, Bob. 131, 131, 131, Mr. Bob. 002, number 2, your friend in Glasgow, Bob. Good morning. Yeah, I hear you having a chuckle on there, Bob. I hear you having a chuckle, my old friend. All the best out there. 131 in Rhode Island, Mr. Bob. 002. Sending kind regards to you from Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning. Thank you, Bob. All the best, my friend. 131 in Rhode Island. 002. Number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning. I hear you in there, my my friend. There's 18 wheels, 61 out there. 18 wheels in 61. Number 61 on 18 wheels. 002. Number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. 18 wheels, 61. Come on. Busy in here, my old friend. 18 wheels in 61. 1861. 61 on 18 wheels. 002 in Scotland. All the best, buddy. Okay, 148 in South Carolina. All the best to you, my friend. All the best to South Carolina, 148. 002, sir, number 2 in Bonnie, Scotland. Good morning. Thank you, 148, my friend. All the best to 148. 002, buddy. Number 2 in Scotland. Waving a hand to you. Bye-bye.
You're the king of Scotland, man. You're the king of Scotland. You're the loudest one, George. You're the king of Scotland.
I'm the undisputed king of all time here, my friend. 41. 002 is the king, my friend. Sometimes I just like to take over, Ivan, and sometimes I just like to have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, that's right. I'm the same way, George. I'm the same way. Sometimes I just have a lot of fun. I don't want to take over. Like, if I want to be king of Canada one day, I'll be king of Canada. Next day, if I'm local for nothing, I'm local for nothing there, George.
You're right, Ivan. That's the same back here, my friend. When I flick my wee button, it's party over. I like to just have a little bit of playtime, my friend. It's all about the fun, not about the power. Come on.
Happy Remembrance Day. Happy Remembrance Day. I think it's Remembrance Day for the world, isn't it? Remembrance Day. Happy Remembrance Day.
It certainly is, Ivan. It certainly is, my friend. And thanking you very, very kindly. Same back, Ivan. Happy Remembrance Day, my friend. It's absolutely super. We had a wonderful yesterday, my friend. We had a wonderful yesterday back here in Remembrance Sunday. And absolutely went super back here, my friend. Thank you for that, Ivan.
Okay, George. Take care, man. God bless. Okay, my friend. I'll be my good friend over there in Bonnie, Scotland, man.
Oh, you're booming, man. You're just wiping me right off the slate back here. I'm scraping you off the back end of my home back here, Ivan. Absolutely booming, buddy. 002, 41, Mr. World Radio 41 in New Brunswick. The undisputed king of Canada. All the best, my friend, and good morning.
Good afternoon, Mr. George.
All the best, buddy. A very good morning to New Brunswick. Come on. Yeah, get the bagels out. Come on, bagels and more bagels in the coffee. Happy Duncan, come on. Yeah, thank you, Ivan. All the best, my friend. Enjoy the coffee, enjoy the Duncan of your nice. I prefer donuts, mind you. I prefer donuts, my friend. But you happy dunk away, and we'll catch you some other day. Thank you, Ivan. All the best out there, my friend. World Radio 41, New Brunswick's king. All the best, my friend, and good morning. I'll see him on Thursday. He's up in Glasgow on Thursday. We have the WWE back here on Thursday, Ivan, and it's in the city back here on Thursday. So we'll have a look on Thursday, Ivan, over.
He must be albino, George. He must be albino because he's awful pale. He's awful pale, man. He's got red hair, big red hair. He's about 450 pounds. And he's pitch red hair, Seamus does. Boy, he must be a big man.
Oh, he's a big boy, you better believe it. He's a big boy. He's an absolute superhuman, my friend. Superhuman is our Seamus. Absolutely electric. He's just some boy, and he's just some big boy. You wouldn't like to meet him in a dark alley, Ivan, over?
Yeah, Dr. Dave, George. Yeah, when he was young, on wrestling, when he was young, he used to be bullied. He used to bully him. I bet they don't bully him now.
Yeah, he's a big boy, Ivan. And God bless him, my friend, and I hope he does really well. Like all the boys out there, it's a very tough game to be in. And God bless them all, my friend.
Good morning.
Right, boys, I'll take a small QRX here because there'll be some local boys back here maybe want to have a bit of fun in there. So I'll take a QRX and let some of the local boys back here, if they're in there, have some fun. All the best, boys. The QRX is at 002, number 2 in Scotland. God bless, boys, and good morning.
231.
Thank you, boys. All the best out there. And the local boys in there, guys. Carry on. 73s, boys.
Hey, George, I haven't talked to you, son.